What's up guys? It's Cloudum in your neighborhood. Today I'm gonna talk and do a little bit political expression of makeup. It's Black Lives Matter. So please subscribe to get higher rankings and more traffic. Turn on the bell icon and leave your comments down below. It helps me a lot. So as you know, Black Lives Matter movement is happening all over the world, and this is a big moment of human history. I don't like to have to say this, but black people were used to build the nation. The slavery does not exist anymore, but some people still look down on black people. Today I'm here to show you my support for black people. As I told you before, I do a political expression of makeup. So watch me go from this to this. Many people are hurt, injured, violated through Black Lives Matter movement. And they're hurt inside as well. So I'm gonna express the bruise. Alright, now I'm gonna put a message on my forehead. Nextly, I'm gonna make teardrops, and I prepared a dish with a Saran Wrap cover and the glue gun. But before that, I need to put some loose powder on Saran Wrap. Alright, my makeup is done, so let's take pictures. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to get higher rankings and more traffic, and share your opinion about my makeup and Black Lives Matter movement. See you next video guys. Bye!